Guys, you know, I always try to choose the best online jobs for you, and today I am super excited to share with you one more website that can bring you really good amount of money while you sleep. The biggest pro of this website for the beginners is its availability in any country, and of course 75% commission rate. The next advantage of it is you don't need to have a lot of subscribers nor mass following on social networks. If you do, it's okay. If you don't, it's also not bad, because you will start building your online business from scratch, and I will show you the simple step-by-step process on how you can do that. Guys, before we dive deeper into today's topic, please smash a sweet like button for today's video. Thanks. The site I want to talk about today is called ClickBank. It is the online e-commerce marketplace with different available products. You don't need to create anything. Everything is just ready. Your main goal is to promote them as an affiliate marketer to the targeted audience. And I want to say in advance, it's not that difficult. Even the kids can do that. Now let me show you this website. Let's go over there. So here we are. This is a dashboard. All your sales will be tracked here, so you can see everything. The main category here we are interested in is affiliate marketing tab. Click on it. And this is where your work process starts. On the left side of your screen now you can see many categories with different products available there. Art and entertainment, internet marketing, fashion, sports, health and dietary products, yoga, the books of different genre. If you want to succeed with ClickBank, I would highly recommend and encourage you to pay close attention to picking the right category, because there are some that don't work at all, meanwhile others work very well and you can generate a lot of sales with them. Of course, no one is gonna tell you the secrets, but I will. Guys, if you really want to make a lot of money with ClickBank, pick a category interacted with health and dietary products. This is where you can earn a really good and high commission after successful promotion. For example, let's choose this product. As a beginner, I would recommend you to pick a good that costs between $20 and $60. In this way, you will increase the likelihood of generating more sales, because pricey stuff is generally more competitive and has a lower conversion rate. Let's take a look at this one. As you can see, this product isn't cheap nor expensive, and the people will definitely buy it. Now what you have to do is to take a look at this graph. This is called gravity score. Keep in mind, it is very important. This number can be a good indicator whether your product will sell or not. And when you ask me what is a good gravity score, I would say that numbers starting from 20 to 70 are the best for you as a beginner. Don't go higher, otherwise you won't sell anything. Despite the higher commission you can earn selling the products that cost much more, your chances of selling them will be much lower. That's why it's better to set the realistic expectations from the very beginning. The next thing you have to pay close attention to is the information from the right side. Here is the seller contact. When you click on it, you can see the email of a seller. This is gonna be helpful for you if you want to contact for the additional information. When you click on the affiliate page, you'll be redirected to the product website, where you can see the full description of it, the seller details and so on. And the most important one is promotion. When you click on the button promote, you will see the window popping up, where you should include your ID, name, and after that you will get a generated hop link. And this is your key to sales. And as you've probably guessed, what you're gonna do with it, right, you have to promote it on Facebook, on social media website, your personal website or email list. The more people will click on it, obviously you will get more money and generate more sales. When it comes to withdrawing the money from your ClickBank account, you can easily do it via PayPal or direct deposit, despite the last one isn't available in all countries. When you're curious to know how much time it takes to earn the first money from ClickBank, I would say that it takes around 8 sales to generate the first $100. Don't worry, it won't take you much time, especially if you are good at promoting different stuff on internet. Guys, if you want to make even more money with side hustles, I highly recommend you to watch this video. But before you go, as usual, don't forget to hit the like button for today's topic and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content later.